In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change view in Microsoft Planner. To begin, open your web browser and go to Microsoft Planner. If you are working from a direct link in your organization, that is fine, but the main goal is simply to get into the plan where your tasks live. Once the plan finishes loading, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct place by looking at the plan name near the top of the page. This ensures that when you change views, you are looking at the right set of tasks. Along the top area of the plan, you will see several view options. These views all show the same tasks, but they present the information in different layouts. Switching between them helps you focus on what matters most, whether that is status, details, due dates, or progress. First, click on Board. The Board view is the classic planner layout. Tasks are organized into columns, often called buckets, and you can quickly scan what is in each bucket. This view is great for drag-and-drop organizing, and it helps you see workflow at a glance. Next, click on Grid. Grid view shifts your tasks into a more structured, list-like format. It is useful when you need to review many tasks quickly, compare fields side by side, or focus on task details in a more compact layout. If you are managing a larger plan, Grid can make it easier to scan and sort mentally as you review work. After that, click on Schedule. Schedule view focuses on time. Here, tasks are displayed with an emphasis on due dates, helping you see what is coming up and what might be overdue. This view is especially helpful when you are planning weekly priorities or aligning tasks to deadlines. Finally, click on Charts. Charts view gives you a visual summary of the plan, such as task status and progress. It helps you understand overall workload and completion trends without reading every task one by one. This is a good view to use when you want a quick snapshot before a meeting or a status update. You can switch between these views at any time, and your tasks remain the same. Only the layout changes, and that is all there is to it.